everyone, welcome once again. Myself Jyoti Tiwari and I am teaching you chapter is matter around us is pure of class 9, subject is science. Okay, so in previous lecture video I was discussing about mixture and I have classified mixture into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay, so now homogeneous mixture is further classified into solution, true solution. Okay, I think that you are watching my previous lecture videos, so please watch the previous lecture video, only then you can cope up with this lecture. Okay, so to cope up with this lecture and to understand it very well, please watch my previous lecture videos. It is very important for you. So solution, how is it prepared? What is solution? Actually, in solution, generally we take any solvent. Solvent means liquid which has property to dissolve other component. Solvent, that component of solution which dissolve other component. What is other component? Suppose I am adding here salt. So salt is other component and liquid is solvent. Because it dissolving salt in itself and salt get dissolved in the solution. So this salt is called solute. That component which dissolved in solution. Okay, that component in the solution which can be dissolved in solution and disappear is called solute. Okay, and what is solvent? That component of solution which is dissolving other component, which is dissolving sugar or salt called a solute in itself. Okay, so this is solution. Solution is a type of homogeneous mixture. I have told you that. And in solution there is few properties. Let's study what are these properties. Particles size is smaller than 1 nanometer. In solution, the particle size which are present in it is smaller than 1 nanometer or 10 to the power minus 9. So that we can conclude that we can't see the particles in solution with our naked eyes. Okay, with our naked eyes. If we want to see these particles, we have to use microscope. Okay, you can't see salt or sugar in the liquid after dissolving. Next property is do not scatter a beam of light. Whenever there is any light strikes to solution, okay, it does not scatter it, because if you give a torch light, it is just here and does not scatter like this. And if you see that in oil, whenever there is light fall, it strike the light in next direction. Okay, so it do not scatter a beam of light. Next properties cannot be separated by filtration. Means the particle of the solution of a true solution cannot be separated by filtration. Can you separate sugar solution? Can you separate sugar solution? No, you can't separate sugar solution. You can't separate sugar from the water by filtering it. And its example is sugar water solution, iodine alcohol solution. Okay, iodine is here called solute and alcohol is called solvent, because in alcohol we are dissolving what? Iodine. In alcohol is a liquid. In alcohol we are dissolving what? Iodine. So it is a tincture. We called it tincture of iodine. So there are many more examples of this. Please write more example, study more examples as possible as. Okay, all the best. You are doing good. Hope. Okay, thank you so much.